All right, waiting on YouTube here to move us. And we are live on the YouTube. We're live on TikTok. Good to see you here. All right, first of all, we try to get this done in 10 minutes. Sometimes I do go over because I got a lot of talked about. So we're going to look at some TA today. We're going to look at where we are in the markets. We're going to look at some really cool charts and charting that you're going to need to know, and some key support and resistance levels. Crypto is up today. Here, let's start off with the stocks really quick, though. Look at what's happened. We've had a sell-off. Don't know why this is happening. I think it has something to do with Russia and Putin. I think, right? There's not real big news out just yet. So I don't know if this people are just taking profits, getting out, whatever. This is not good, though. It should have continued to go up. All right, let's get started with DeFi. So on DeFi Llama, you can see that we're holding steady at about $318 billion locked in. Sorry, my TikTok just went completely off the rails. Got to put some power to it really quickly. Sorry, guys. You would say, oh, you should be more prepared. Well, got this phone that heats up now. So, all right. Here we go. We'll just stop the TikTok. Just fell off. It literally just fell off the desk. All right, TBL, there you go. Looking at swaggy stocks. What is Reddit talking about? BTC ETH, Link, Matic, Rose, guys. Again, I keep harping on Rose. Rose is big right now. Loopring, Algo, which is still with Stellar, one of the best ways to move your crypto around from exchange to exchange. It's very, very cheap. Cardano, Phantom, and Rise. Shiba's rising up as well. So if we look at today, this is the top 100 bubbles. Everything is in green. Look at Phantom, 18%. Toncoin, 22%. I don't know much about that one, but Sand, all the usual suspects are definitely up big today. Raven's making a run. One's up 13%. So looking good. Looking at the Binance coins, it gets a little bit more, a lot more green. Dusk, Annie is up if you know that one, but a lot of the DeFi coins. That's why I want to go to DeFi Llama here, and you can see exactly what is being played out here. Just huge names are up, and money is starting. It's gotten back up to the top levels of the total value locked in DeFi. All right. So with that said, where's the money going? Well, the money flow for the day right now is this is the buy flow for all the money. It's coming from USD. You can see where it's going. Bitcoin 2 bill, Ethereum 1.8, and then from USDT 4.6 billion is being dispersed into Dusk, Tron, Doge. Doge has got 75 million just came in. Almost 100 million. Cardano 170 million. XRP, check this out, guys. XRP 30 million. Atom Rose has got 200. Rose has come out of nowhere, guys. $240 million there as well. Near Matic, and I'm not just talking about book. Now I do own a lot of these, but look at Phantom, 463 million. Just the relative strength just continues to bust it. All right, so where are we in as far as price for BTC, Ethereum, and XRP price analysis? Here we go. Yesterday on the second chart, buyers were able to overcome the resistance of the 2-hour EMAS 55. So that's the 55 day. I'm not a big fan of the 55. I'm more of the 50, but again, a foothold at the 42 fours, right? So I'll let this out in TradingView in 1 second. Today, one should watch the further movement of the pair. If the bulls can continue the recovery towards 45,000, then a retest of that 4,600 can be expected. So if we go to Bitcoin, here's the retracement levels that I've done on TradingView. You can see exactly what they're talking about. There's the 46 level right there. Boom. It's 45.6 is really what it is. And it's right on. I mean, the retracement on this is almost just perfect. So it says 39.5. I used to call it, I call it 40 and 41. you could make a case for 41 if you moved it up slightly, but again, it's touching this, so it makes more sense right here. But there's that 45 level. Got to retain that, and then this to me is not a buy zone yet. This is the buy zone. Again, you want to buy high, sell higher, right? So you got to make sure this breakout continues. Again, we got to attain the 46, and then we can start buying in here and truly start buying above, really above 50, the psychological level, and then really above 53. That's the buy zone for me. Anything above 53, all of crypto is going to be good. All right, so that is Bitcoin. We will now move on to Ethereum. Just afternoon, the Ethereum price broke through the EMA 55 moving average, and by this morning, it can consolidate in narrow consolidation around the 3,300 mark. Now, here's what I've got for ETH. I need ETH, and here it is right here. If today the bulls continue to rise above the resistance at 3,400, then one can consider possibility. So I've got resistance at 36. At 3,600, I think you can get long, okay? And then clearly at the 30, so they've got 38. I've got the 39 is the key level, and then 43, and then above that is the 5,700 level as a Fibonacci extension, right? So XRP is a little different here. At the end of the day, the pair consolidated, the XRP USD pair, consolidated above the level of average prices tonight and continued weak growth in the level of 77. Now, I haven't done an XRP myself, but here's what they're saying. If today the volume of purchase increases and the growth continues above the resistance of 80, then one can count on recovery to the POC line of 82. So he's talking about this line right here. XRP is starting to trade at 79. Again, it's not too far away, and I think it'll get there. And right now, what is XRP at? XRP is at 79, just like they said. So there you go. Those are the levels it needs to reclaim the 83 cent levels. What it needs to reclaim. All right, so here's a good omen for ETH. You can see it there. 16,000 ETH were just bought in the last half hour as well. So excuse me. A sudden data suggests that traders and investors have purchased 15,500 ETH in the last 30 minutes. Here it is there. It is very bullish. That's why it's pushing up. So clearly they're buying the dip here, right? Buying the dip back right here right underneath that 34 is where they're buying the dip at, right? So it's a pretty good sign. Ether has failed to break the 5,000 resistance that most traders call the diamond ceiling. That is, again, the Fibonacci extension. If it gets to 4,300, that's what we are saying that it could break that at the 5,700 level. That's a Fib extension 423. All right, next up, check this out. Baby Doge, talking little small things today. Baby Doge holders look at hit a new record. Are you ready for this? January 7th, the number of users holding the meme crypto surpassed 700,000. Some of these holders are the 1,000 largest BNB whales, though, according to a recent tweet by Whale Stats, and you need to follow those guys on Twitter. These people are holding over 1 quadrillion baby Dogecoin, worth about $4 million. But the current holder count now has gone from 700,000 just January 7th. 5 days later, now we're at 1.2 million holders of baby Doge. So something's going on there. Again, follow the whale stats for that. Also look at Floki. Floki reached an astonishing 340,000 holders. That's big. Top 1,000 BNB coins are holding close to 4.5 million in Floki. So again, I just think the whales are just playing. I mean, they've got enough money to play with, and so they just put it in stuff that are asymmetrical bets. Basically, hey, it could go. It could be huge like Doge was back in 2016. Now 2021, once it goes all the way to like 69 cents, 71 cents, whatever it was. So they're just they're just buying. They're just basically buying asymmetric trades, right? It could go to zero or it could go huge. So as far as unusual whales, crypto volume for the whales, the selling's at 56, the buying's at 43. ETH and ETH is 51% of the buying and the selling. You can see where the whales are buying or selling. I wish he would break this down. This will get better, but you can see how ETH is just being bought due to NFTs and DeFi. We all know that. So that is your morning crypto. What's up, DB? Yo. Thanks you for being here. So that is the morning crypto update. I am working on a video that I'm going to put out, guys, where I'm putting my money as far as where I think I can make $70,000 to $90,000 a year on my crypto. So I think with right at like I think you have to have over $1 million in crypto to do that. You know, I think you can do it with 1.4 million right now, which will balloon up above 2 when we are in a more of a bullish rally. So I'm working on that now. It looks like the top ones to get into is Nexio, Crypto.com, and maybe even Calculus. So looking at that as well. So all right, guys, that'll do it for me today. I really appreciate you guys being here. I wish my TikTok was on, but apparently things went wrong. That's what happens when you go live. Appreciate you guys. Watch your six. Go hard to paint. We'll see you next time. Appreciate it.